Oh! We're making a trail now. Ow!
She's got it on film.
Jesus
Dude,
Christ.
there's a piece of wood there. That kind of made it bad.
It's like in a pile of garbage.
What is this shit?
Watch out, babe. There's a pregnancy test over there.
Is it
Oh.
positive?
It is.
Oh, that's someone got pissed off and chucked
I
it.
think it is, yeah.
Who checks if they're pregnant up here, honestly?
Yeah, let's just
Curry County.
in the woods.
Yeah! Whoa, fuck! Yeah!
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. My adrenaline's pumping, but I'm alright, I think. Holy fucking shit, I could have been off the hill. Where's your chainsaw when you need it? Is that camera still on?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I mean, I turned around for a good reason.
You guys lied to me. That's a steep fucking son of a bitch. You guys are fucking liars.
We're not lying. You just fucking gassed it way too soon. You don't want to keep it.
There you go. You were out of those bushes.
Okay, send that camera at me. My name's Jesse Ashley and I'm a fucking idiot.
You heard the man. God damn it. There goes another clutch lever.
Break the clutch.
No.